Jake Racing. Today we're going to be fixing the Miata. The final little stages, minus the splitter. Still waiting on that. But we finally have all the other parts, so we're going to fix that up. The Miata damage was basically just the splitter, an endlink, and shock. So nothing too big. So this right here is our Feel 441 coilover for the Miata. As you can see, she a little bent and a little bent. And this is our new one. That's not so bent. So thanks to Feel for getting this out so quick. Now I can put the car back together and actually be able to drive it and go have some more fun. At the end of the day, this car is all about fun, and realistically, you got to be able to make some mistakes like this and learn from them. I mean, I don't know what I learned, but yeah, I mean, whatever. Not really much to learn except for maybe more gas, more throttle, more burnout. I don't even know. Just fix it and drive it again. So again, this is like a very basic piece. You know, you have your shock shaft, you have your cartridge, and your lower mount. So I need to take the upper mount off, all the pieces here, the little turny guys, swap it over, and I'll have a little bent thing that I can hang on my wall. Alright, so now that I got these measured to the same distance from here to here, this was set from the other, I can put this dust boot on, put the stopper for the piece of thingy whacker diddle on. I can put my spring on that's extremely dirty. Then just gonna get it here. Check to make sure that ball up top is good. Get a couple threads on. She's all threaded up. Alright, so now we're putting the coilover back in the car. Just gotta find the spot down the bottom. Get it nice and lined up. Get our bolt through. Alright, now we're back in business. Another big thing, big shout out to White Line, hooking me up with another endlink. Since I so dramatically decided to break the living crap out of the other one. So, I'm gonna put this in. All right, she's back on her all 4 feet, legs, tires, whatever. So she's all back together, looking good. I can't exactly say it's perfect, but as you can see, it's a Miata. Like, this is gonna be the biggest damage that really happened. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look terrible. So I actually did more damage, you know, when I was working on it, when I dropped a big extension and put 2 big dents in my rear of my car. Perfect. So other than that, overall, it's pretty good. I need to do some measuring and checking of toe and all that other various stuff. But yeah, back together, back on the ground, ready to see some more track time.